Welcome back. Welcome back. Keep it simple, keep it short. Join and coin here. Thanks for your support. All right. So in Vechain, we can see here clearly that Vechain found good support at 0.021, bounced off of it, and yeah, came close to the 0.382 at 0.024. And yeah, if we draw this trend line here, we can see that Vechain found support here, then broke it to the downside, and now is at the resistance of this trend line. What we also see is that if we take a look at the whole downtrend here, there is this resistance line, which acted as resistance here in May, in June, and also here at the end of June. Vechain broke this resistance clearly and yeah, came for a retest. So this is bullish, but I'm not quite sure, because we can see here that Vechain started with the first move to the downside, the second, the third wave, the fourth, and now is the question, is this already the finish? Is this already the end of this downtrend? Or do we see another drop to the downside and then Vechain can bounce off? So yeah, there are some mixed signals at the moment, because bullish case, the huge resistance is broken. And also if we take a look on the weekly, we can see here MACD on the weekly about to turn bullish. This is a very strong signal because it's on the higher time frame. It's on the weekly, right? Also, if you're following my channel, then you will know that we are talking a lot of this whole channel to the upside, and Vechain is definitely holding this support very, very well in the last days. Back to the 4-hourly, we can see here the RSI is in overbought conditions very soon. And also Vechain is trading in this triangle formation. So there should come a decision very soon, because yeah, back to the daily, what we can see here is that the volume is declining. We are inside of this triangle. And if you take a look on the non-logarithmic chart, we also see that Vechain is in this huge falling wedge, basically since the all-time high of May last year. So definitely we should see here a decision very, very soon, because there's not much time left, maybe some 2 or 3 weeks, and then we should get a decision here and some volatility in the market. Back to the 4-hourly. So targets to the upside remain the 0.024, 0.025, and 0.0268 at the 0.382 and 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, and and also 0.026 cent. Because if this level here is broken, then this would very much be a bullish move for Vechain. Until then, we could get one last flush to the downside, but I think we are very, very close of this whole move to the downside of this whole bear cycle, maybe 1 week or 2. So levels to the downside, 1.272 at 0.019 and 1.618 at 0.016. So if we get our last flash to the downside, then these levels should hold as a support. Also, if we bring up the EMAs, we can see here at the 0.382, there lines up the EMA 200. On the Vechain Bitcoin chart, there's not much to say. I think this makes it clear. There's this resistance line here. This has to be broken, but we already saw here this bullish divergence. So this is a very strong signal, because it's on the weekly Bitcoin Vechain chart. Yeah, but Vechain first has to come here to this resistance line. So the resistance will be at 140 if Vechain managed to come to this level. And I'm expecting here a resistance, but once this resistance line is broken, ladies and gentlemen, then the party is starting, because we know that Vechain can heavily outperform the market, as we saw here before. For example, 796% to the upside. In the last time, and yeah, also here, about 441%. History not always repeats, but it gives us some information for the further development in the future. So let's jump to the Vechain Ethereum. Also here, clearly this channel here has to be broken. What we can see here on the Vechain Ethereum chart is that Vechain could build here this left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So if this plays out, yeah, this would have a target at around 37.05. It could very well be that this here is the left shoulder ahead, and here is forming the right shoulder. Yeah, we have to take a look here if this level here is not broken to the downside, and Vechain is consolidating here in the coming week. Maybe this is playing out here as a inverse head and shoulders. All right, this was my short update to Vechain. If you like this video and you want to get updated with the latest crypto news and analysis, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also hit the notification bell. I wish you a wonderful remaining Sunday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.